How to find popular places nearby on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to find places nearby on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up Instagram app, and you can do this on iOS or Android phone. So once you open up your Instagram, what you need to do is you will open up your profile that you have. So I'll show you how to find the popular places near you. You will have to go to the explore option to the search, and here we have our own search bar. Select right here to type, and you will get different options. You have top, account, audio tag, and places. So you can switch to places right here, and now you have to enter the place, any location you want to. So you will type in the location, and then you will get all the popular places. For example, I can select a city first. So I have selected this. Now what I can do is, you can see we have our own map. So I'm going to open up our Instagram map, and it will show me all the places nearby, different locations where people have added to their Instagram. And I can also check out the near area, or search this area. So we can search and you can see nearby places. So we have like cafes and restaurants. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search a restaurant in this place. So it will show me the restaurant, and you can actually go back, or you can actually zoom in onto the map right here to kind of like get the better results. So you can select a location, and then you can find different restaurants, cafes, sites, hotels, parks and gardens, bars near your area. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.